TBG was established in 1999, and it is a molecular diagnostic company, and it covers the full range of molecular diagnostic products that is able to detect diseases earlier than the traditional method. And this company was listed to ASX earlier this year. TBG was acquired by Progen earlier this year, and it was because earlier in the year of 2015, the board of Progen, they decided to have a strategic review, and they found that drug development probably is not make sense to them. So they decided to restructure and then to refocus the business. And they found that molecular diagnostic actually works, for the market. Yeah, so I think that's the reason why at the end it triggered the acquisition of the business. This is simple because the market is huge. If you look at the global market of molecular diagnostics, the compound annual growth rate is up to 15% annually. And would be reaching something like $25 billion in the year of 2024. And in China market, that is our focus market, it is even faster in the annual growth. The compound growth rate is up to 28% per annum. And the market could reach up to 3.5 billion in China alone. And there are not too many players in there, so we stand a good chance to become a keen competitor to the market in China. TBG was estimated something like 21 million Australian dollars at the time, and it was by script. And then at the round of acquisition, we also raised 12.6 million Australian dollars. For the strategy of TBG, what we want to do is to have very healthy revenue growth, organically and inorganically. And when I say organically, it means that for the in-house products, we are going to expand the product portfolio, and that to increase the market share in China. And at the same time, for inorganic growth, we are targeting M&A because there are several companies they are all good fit to the company. So we are in discussion with them for the potential acquisition in the future. And if we need some additional funding, and we will do that only when we want to cover the whole range of business in China to have larger share of the market in there. Following the acquisition, we are now having 16 million Australian dollars in hands, and with the annual revenue, it's something like 2.5 million. We hope that the revenue of the company could grow healthily, and there will be a big bunch of products to be brought to the market. So by the time when these products are on the market, we will have break-even time, and it is likely to happen next year.